Okay, so I want to show you guys. I believe this video is going to go up a little later than usual. I apologize. I was working on editing the Overwatch video. Gonna Overwatch videos. Busy editing that today. Also had some other stuff I had to do today. Didn't quite edit it out fully, but I should be able to get it edited and rendered tonight. So I want to talk about this: the Andromeda and Milky Way collision, because this is actually going to happen like a billions of years from now, like way when we're already when none, it won't be in our lifetime. Sadly, so we'll never get to see this. But also, I want to show you guys something for people who are saying like, "Oh, this has already happened." Like the merger has already begun. It's not. It's not. It hasn't. Won't happen till like 4 billion years. So people just don't fucking listen to people who are saying this shit. Don't listen to people who will say like, "Oh, the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy it's already happened." Like blah blah blah. It's not okay. It's not. So yeah, it won't happen. It hasn't happened yet, but it will happen because yeah, I'm not a scientist. I'm not a scientist, but I believe it's what happens is I think I'm not sure how it's gonna happen, but like with the galaxy. So yeah, a gas and dust will merge, leading to bursts, new star formation. So there you go. So it will merge like 4.4 to 5 billion years. I believe the Milky Way is a so. This is the Andromeda galaxy. Apparently, there are rumors you can see it tonight, which would be fucking awesome. Unfortunately, where I am, we have a bunch of streetlights, so we can't fucking see it, which fucking sucks. That's so stupid. So the Milky Way's galaxy, the Milky Way is a our galaxy is a spiral galaxy. This is the Andromeda galaxy. The Andromeda is a bit of a blurry picture. There we go. This is the Andromeda galaxy. Andromeda is an elliptical galaxy. Whereas the Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. It's a spiral galaxy. So they're both spiral galaxies, but I think eventually they're both going to turn into it's my mouth my mouse players are working for some reason sometimes. It's working when I click it. So this Milky Way galaxy is also another spiral galaxy. So it's a spiral galaxy. I believe, yeah, spiral galaxy. Both spiral galaxies, and I'm not sure what's gonna like cause okay, I'm gonna see real quick. And in like galaxies that like collide, they collide all the time. I mean, one sec, please. Here, so basic gravitational attraction, basically gravity, basically. Collision and merger, universe expansion, yeah. Gravity overcomes the expansion with the local group. Computer simulations and incorporating data from the Hubble and Gaia space telescopes are used to model this expansion, which is now believed to have a 50 chance of occurring in the next 10 billion years. So, way past our lifetime, honestly. So and so far we don't know like what else out there in the Andromeda. Basically, the Andromeda galaxy is much bigger than our galaxy. Also the Andromeda is like 2.5 million light years, but I can't fucking speak. The Andromeda is 2.5 million light years away. So, but it's going to come to us very slowly now. They assume that it will never happen. Yeah. So, so long for the galaxies merge. So, outside of like sorts of a giant. For whoever is gonna be like alive during this, you're gonna see like some really cool shit in the sky. Now there are galaxy. I believe there is a, galaxy. I believe there's like a 3 galaxy collision. Yeah, it's a 3 galaxy collision like going on right now. And so collision wrong. Yep, so collision wrong. Goddamn it. Yeah. So, our galaxy collision refers to galaxies. Yeah. So, yeah, those 3 spiral galaxies colliding with each other. So just that was my phone, by the way. I apologize. This is what galaxy collisions happen all the time. So I'll show you guys a little simulation here. Of like what's gonna happen. So from Stargaze, I watch quite a few of his videos. He has like a bunch of like really cool videos showing like what like simulations of what the sun is going to look like on other planets. It's just pretty cool. So it's gonna show you guys this. Hopefully, so this is it. Now the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way Galaxy. Imagine looking up and seeing this. That'd be so cool to see. That'd be so cool to see. So Also, if you guys wondering how I got the panel match to get the dislikes, there is a extension you can have for return YouTube dislikes. So that's how. So 2 billion years, obviously way past our lifetime here, and then they're going to be coming very much closer. The Andromeda is going to get much bigger. Now I'm not a scientist, so I don't know. And then it's actually looking up if the Earth is still alive at this point. Imagine looking up and just seeing that. That would be really cool to see. Just looking up and just seeing that would be so cool to see, honestly. So obviously, it's just a simulation of what could happen. Like it's gonna get insanely crazy. Like look at that. That's so cool to see. Then for spaces of the galaxies, they're just gonna be like dancing around each other, and a lot of times in the center of galaxies are just super massive black holes. That's where the most amount of light comes through. So chances are that those supermassive black holes, there's going to create one even bigger black hole, and we actually have one. Now, I don't think Sagittarius A star is. I don't think Sagittarius A star is not in the middle. I forget what's in the middle of the Milky Way. It's I don't yeah. So center. I don't think that's in the center. Oh, it is Sagittarius A star. Okay, so I was wrong. That's awkward. That's awkward. So it is Sagittarius A star. Okay, so this Sagittarius A star, which is supermassive black hole in our galaxy. Basically, just like have like a all that light and this flow of flashbacks, by guys. So this was like just like a giant freaking galaxy, and another little simulation right here was pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not a scientist. I don't know how this whole thing would work here. So this is just a simulation too here. So. It's just a simulation here, so but it'll be still really cool to see this. Now, triangular galaxy, I don't know if that will merge with us. I'm not sure, but and this is essentially what's going to happen. I will link Stargaze's video into the description down below, by the way. So this is what's going to happen. Like galaxies are just going to like dance around each other. It just be so cool to see, but unfortunately, we'll never get to see this. We never will. Just much like with like Pangea 2, where the continents also get like much bigger, are supposed to collide again. So it'll be pretty cool to see, but unfortunately we'll never get to see it. So slow simulation here. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a scientist at all. So it's just one giant galaxy, which is pretty cool. So it'll be pretty cool to see. It'll be really cool to see. So anyway. That's about it, and I will see you guys later.